morning reception and welcome to Thursday's Maths. So yesterday we started thinking about measuring problems and we were looking at things that were tall, things that were short, things that were long and things that were short. We were comparing and having a look at the different lengths and the different heights. Now today we're going to move on to page 23 in your books. It is measuring problems again, but instead of thinking about height and length, we're going to think about weight. We're going to think about things that are heavy and things that are light. If something is heavy, it means it's a real struggle to pick up. You really have to use your muscles. It's really heavy. If something is light, it means it's easy for you to pick up. There's not much weight in it, and it wouldn't be hard for you to carry. So heavy and light. Now we are going to compare some things that we think might be heavier and lighter using the scales here today. So as you can see, the buckets are at the same level at the moment. They are balanced because there's nothing inside them, so the weight's the same. But I'm going to put some objects in and see what happens to the buckets. So the bucket with the heaviest object in should go down because there is more force on it, it's pushing it down, and the lighter object should come up. So I've got some things here. Let's have a little look what I've got. I've got a dinosaur, mini dinosaur. I've got some glue, got a pen, some scissors, more shape here. Can anybody remember this shape? It's a cube. And finally, little turtle, tortoise to put in there. Okay, so I'm going to choose one object to start with and just see what happens. So I'm going to pick up the dinosaur. So when I put the dinosaur in, because only one side will have something in, it should go down, and that should show me that that is the heavier side. So let's put that to the test and see if it works. Put my dinosaur in this side, I think. There we go. So can you see? This side's heavier now, so it's gone down. Let's put something in the other side and compare what happens. I put this cube in. What do you think? I think the dinosaur was a little bit heavier, so it might stay down. Let's put it to the test. Oh yes, it's moved a little bit, but still can see that the dinosaur is heavier. So that's further down there, and the cube is further up. Let's see what happens if I put some more objects in with the cube though. Oh, that's nearly balanced now, isn't it, when I put the glue in as well? Let's try the pen there. Are we balanced? Okay, so it took 3 objects in there to balance with that dinosaur. So that dinosaur must be quite heavy. I'm going to take them out now. And I'm going to try something else instead. Take the dinosaur out. I think I'm going to put the scissors in this side. And I'm going to put this turtle in the other side. And let's see which one is heavier. Oh, it's going up and down. It's thinking about it. I think it's a very close one there. In fact, I think they are balanced. They must weigh the same. Let's see if I can make one side heavier. I'm going to add in the glue stick with the turtle. Which side is heavier now? That's right, this side has gone down, so that's the heavier side. So we can use scales to help us see which things are heavy and which things are light. But also we can just use our judgment. We can hold things and we can feel which one feels heavier, which one feels harder to hold. So in your book today, It's asking you to draw a circle around heavy objects. So we've got a feather, an elephant that they've already circled for you because an elephant would be very heavy, some weights, a balloon. Is a balloon heavy to hold? And a little tractor at the end there. Do you think you'd be able to pick up a tractor? So which ones do you think are heavy? And then the next part says cross out the things that are light. So which pictures do we think would be really light, really easy to pick up? And then at the bottom, we're going to draw something that is heavy and draw something that is light. So have a little think. Maybe you want to use one of the objects that you've already seen in the book, or maybe you want to think of your own, something that would be really heavy, really hard to pick up, and something that would be really light and easy for you to pick up. So have a little think about that, and I'm sure we'll do some lovely artwork with that part as well. So I hope you understood today's learning, heavy and light. If you've got any of your own scales at home, maybe you could practice weighing and seeing which objects weigh more than the other, which one is heavier and which one is lighter, or if they are balanced. So good luck with today's learning. Hopefully we've got some real super pictures being sent to me today. Thank you. Bye.